Okay. So I bought this new GK. Let's see. GK61 Hot Swappable. This is not with the optical, but with the normal switches. I bought them without keycaps and without switches. I put in pink, Kailh box pink, and a cheap key set. And now I will see how it works. Still have to finish this. I put in the switches and the G did not work, and on the back side the which holds the key was broken off, so I had to solder that. So you have to be very careful to put in switches, so you better take out the plate, hold it from the back and then push in the switches. Let's see. We need this one. Okay. I think it sounds nice, not too loud, a little low. So this is only the first impression. I don't know what I have to do here. Let's see. This one is control. This one is this one is FN. I need 2 other keys, but doesn't matter. Let's see. So, as you can see, this is the manual. I will read later. Is it important? Let's see. Oh no, I need this one. Yeah. Okay. I don't think it's readable. Anyway, so this is it. So this is a cold start. I didn't type yet. Oh, that feels different, yeah. It's a very small keyboard. I never had such a small keyboard. Let's see what I can do. It's a cold test, so I don't expect too much. Oh. Oh, Earth enough. Let's start again. I have to get you a little bit get used to enough time maal use dit next has enough find is always there. Start your people life and go Yeah, that's not so good. Now, as you can see, maybe you can hear it. It wobbles a little bit, so it seems it's a little bit twisted. Maybe I can fix that. But the first impression is, of course, I have a cheap keycap set, but that's fine. It feels a little rough, but that is nice. The pink switches, Kailh pink, I think they are really a delight. It also has RGB. You cannot really see it because the keycaps are not shine through. But I don't care for RGB. I just bought it because it's cheap and it's hot swappable. No, not really, but. And I wanted the 60% form factor just to see how it is. For typing it's okay, but I already found for behind my PC it's not the right keyboard because I miss shortcuts, etc. But first impression, not bad for $45.